Now, in March, Arbitrum distributed their airdrop, and congratulations to everyone that was eligible. They distributed their airdrop to participants that are active on the Arbitrum ecosystem. So, big ups to everybody that got it, and we found people got a lot, $8,000, $3,000, $10,000, and more. So, an Arbitrum taking this step for them to become a DAO is actually amazing because now there's liquidity to better strengthen the Arbitrum and grow the Arbitrum ecosystem. So if you're yet to claim yours, do what to go over to the website Arbitrum Foundation, Arbitrum.foundation, and then check your eligibility and then claim your Arbitrum token. Now, with the launch of the Arbitrum token, also came the launch of Arbitrum Orbit, which is also the path for launching new chains in the Arbitrum ecosystem. Now, Ethereum is the layer one. Arbitrum, which is the protocol to scale Ethereum, is layer two. And then layer three is going to be the protocols and apps or the chains that are going to be built on Arbitrum, the chains that are going to be built on Arbitrum. So it's actually amazing to see what they've come up with. Now, what's next for Arbitrum? What's actually next for Arbitrum? Like I said, with the launch of the Hobbit, we are going to see vast launch of products on the Arbitrum ecosystem. There is also the Arbitrum Nitro, which is also going to power a lot of products. It's going to make a lot of transactions seamless and stuff. You can also explore Arbitrum Portal and see a lot of DApps for you to interact with both on Arbitrum One and Arbitrum Nova. Now, with the launch of the governance token, there comes the DAO, okay, the decentralized autonomous organization. Now, it's decentralized in the sense that the power is placed in the hands of the people, but here on Arbitrum, we have two governing bodies. Number one, the Security Council, and the second, Arbitrum DAO. Now, the Security Council is a 12-member council of entities elected by members of the Arbitrum DAO. Okay, they're actually highly regarded community representatives and they help to ensure the security of the chain and we act quickly in case of security vulnerability. But for the DAO is a worldwide community of Arbitrum token holders and the delegates that they select. The DAO also is responsible for governing the Arbitrum and its Security Council. As I said initially, the DAO chooses the Security Council and then the DAO can vote on proposals in different means. Now, a lot of the proposal is going to be about improving the system, fixing the critical vulnerability, and then addressing non-critical decisions that affect the ecosystem at large. So there's also going to be a lot of proposals in regards to utilization of finance and optimization of gas fees and all of that. Yeah. Now, this is the forum.arbitrum.foundation. This is where proposals are made. So you want to go over you want to make sure you have an account on the Arbitrum the forum.arbitrum.foundation whereby you can go and view the proposals that has been made so far. You can also discuss on it too. Okay, it's very important. So what you're going to do, you're going to see a sign up here, and then you need to sign up, verify with your email address, and then you can now go on to see the various proposal. You can also create a proposal yourself, and then you can see discussions on it. As soon as this proposal is approved, they are then moved over to the DAO for people to vote. Now here is the DAO, and you can see create new proposal. For the first time coming over here, you are going to see that you need the voting power for you to cast your vote. So you're going to need to delegate vote. First thing first, you connect your wallet, connect to MetaMask, sign the transaction. Now, for you to vote on the Arbitrum ecosystem or the Arbitrum DAO, you can either vote for yourself, that's to delegate to yourself, or you can delegate to an address that will vote on your behalf. Now, you might want to delegate to an address to vote on your behalf for several reasons, say because you might not be available or you might not be able to keep track of the votes or the governance practices. But these guys would also be there to vote on your behalf. Now, you can to have someone vote for you, you can actually delegate to address and then you provide the address, or you can look at the top voters and then you can vote to them. For me, I am going to delegate to only po.eth, and I'm going to tap on delegate. I've already done that, okay? I've already done that, and as you can see, delegating 2.1 app to Olympio.eth. So if you tap on delegate, you're going to see delegate vote, and then you have to confirm a transaction here on MetaMask. So once that is done, you would be good to go. Now, in case you intend to delegate to any other delegate and you need to change from whatsoever you delegated to, you can go over to the Arbitrum delegate. You can search for the address or ENS named over there, and then you can tap on delegate. Say, for example, I want to redelegate to chain link code. All you need to do is tap on delegate votes, and then you're going to have to confirm the transaction on MetaMask. As you can see, you're going to use a $0.09 transaction fee on Ethereum. So you're going to, it's actually Ethereum on Arbitrum, okay? So as you can see, that is done already. Okay, it says transaction mining and transaction succeeded. So that's basically how it is. But then note that you're still going to have your Arbitrum in your MetaMask wallet, okay? I don't know if it's showing over here. You're still going to have your Arbitrum in your MetaMask wallet. So um, and you can also use it to do what you want to do. So stay active for when they are going to drop more proposals. So if you are going to be voting by yourself and you might not be able to catch up, you can do well to join our community, the Cryps community, and then you're going to find you're going to find proposals for you to vote on, okay? Because we are going to be updated on it and we're going to share those proposals on the announcement channel. So you do well to use the link in the video description to join us and stick around for different and more updates. So thanks for watching, guys. Do well to share this video to whoever needs to earn airdrops and is also looking for to have liquidity in this space for the person to engage. Because trust me, through airdrops, you can actually jumpstart your career or your exploration in the crypto space. So thanks for watching, guys. Do well to like this video, subscribe, and share. Bye.